Hey everyone, Jerry James Stone here, and in today's video, well, I'm gonna show you how to make avocado toast. You probably have seen this floating around. It's big on Instagram. It's, big on food blogs, but there's a few key things involved in making the right and the best avocado toast. And that's what I'm gonna go over today. So let me show you how to make that. So avocado toast starts off with just using a really good bread. That's the main things I think. I mean, you can use sandwich bread if you want, but if you really are trying to make the best avocado toast, I suggest using a really, really good bread. This next step is optional, but when I do actually do it, I don't always do it, but when I do, it really elevates the toast. That's just to brush the toast with a little bit of olive oil. Next, you just wanna add your avocado to the top. So a couple things. It's okay if it's a little spotted because you're just gonna mash it all in, as long as it's not spoiled. And you don't have to do it in a separate mixing bowl. I see a lot of people suggest doing that. I like to add it right on top of the toast. The avocado is super ripe, which it should be for this. It'll easily mash without any problems. And then here's another key thing. Just top it off with a little bit of flaky sea salt, like Malden. And some freshly cracked pepper. Looks so good. That's it, really. It's a super simple recipe, but it really does come down to those quality ingredients that I was showing you. So that's how you make avocado toast. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys next time.